have here an air fryer oven. I'm going to take it out of the box and we're going to see what it looks like. I got it out of the box. There's many parts to it. So comes with a huge stack of trays, which I'll go through and tell you which each of them are, and some other accessory pieces, and an instruction manual. And the main air fryer itself right here, which has a nice door that you can open and close. All right, so this first tray is a crumb tray. The next one is the oil tray. This one is the wire rack. This one is the basket. This one is the steak tray. This one is the bacon tray. This is the fetch tool, which you'll use to put in to lift things out when they're too hot and you don't want to touch it with your hands. This is the tray handle. These two pieces and this long one is a rotisserie fork. So these pieces will go on the end like this, so they can be poked in to the chicken, and then they can rotate while it's on. This top part is the control panel, and you can see there's a bunch of pre-settings that you can use as you're cooking. And then over here is a little knob to change the heat temperature, and then some other buttons for starting it, to preheat it, the light on, air fryer, or have it as an oven. And the rotating button. So it's a nice big control panel. So you can see I don't have any trays in, so there's a heating element on the bottom. And if you come in, you can see one on the top as well. Right here is where the rotisserie forks are, where you want to hold it, right here, so that it can turn. And it's also on this other side as well. On the side, you can see it has nice heating vents. On the top, you can see some little heating vents as well. So you can see it has a nice door. It's see-through, so you can see what's cooking, and it's really easy to open and shut. I got it plugged in to show you a few more features. You can put this drip tray on the bottom so things don't drip all over the place. And then let's say I wanted to cook some fries in this basket. You can just slip it in, just like that. So they're super easy to get in and out, so when you're wanting to clean it, you can, if you want to change it out for a different one. Let's say your food is really hot and you don't want to touch this piece, you'll just take it around and it's going to hook on, so you can take it out super easy. Or you could use it also to help you get it back in. Alright, so I have it plugged in and closed. So if I push air fry, these top two show up, and when you turn the little dial, it changes to which one it is, and it already has the minutes and how high a temperature to have it. So it's really, really nice to have all those settings. Then if you want to do oven, that's for the bottom one. It goes through those as well. And then if you want to do the light is just this button to turn on and off. If you had a chicken in and you wanted to rotate, you would just push this button If you want to preheat it, you're going to want to push this button and it will start preheating. And if you want to push start, you'll push that button or to stop. I really like this air fryer. It works good. It has lots of fun settings, so you don't have to worry about knowing what temperature to cook it at. Super easy to understand. I love that there's so many different trays you can use depending on what you're cooking. So it's gonna cook the best for you. So I highly recommend this if anyone needs an air fryer for their kitchen.